In this example conversion problem, we have 5.00 times 10 to the fourth microseconds equals how many centiseconds? Again, we use the same process, dimensional analysis or the railroad track method. We start off with a horizontal and vertical line. Everything to the left is what we start with. So we're starting with 5.00 times 10 to the fourth microseconds. Again, this is a two-step conversion problem because whenever you go from one metric prefix to another metric prefix, you can do it in 2 steps. We first can convert microseconds to seconds, which we know a conversion for, and then we convert seconds to centiseconds, which we also know a conversion for that one. Our conversion for microseconds and seconds is that there are 1 times 10 to the 6, which is a million, microseconds per 1 second. Or we can say 1 second per 1 times 10 to the 6 microseconds. Either way is correct. We have to choose which of these fractions we use by looking at what we're given. Since we're given microseconds, and microseconds is in the numerator, we need to choose a fraction so that microseconds is in the denominator, so it cancels this one out. So the fraction that we choose is going to be this one. So we put 1 second over 1 times 10 to the 6 microseconds. Microseconds cancel. We now have seconds for the units in our problem, but we're not done because now we need to convert seconds to centiseconds. We should know a conversion between seconds and centiseconds. There are 100 centiseconds in 1 second, or we can say 1 second over 100 centiseconds. We need to choose one of these ratios so that it cancels this second in the numerator, so we need to choose a ratio that has seconds in the denominator, which is going to be this one. So we can put 100 centiseconds over 1 second, that way seconds cancel. We're left with the units of centiseconds, which are the units that we want. Again, we multiply everything on the top, divide by everything on the bottom. So we take 5.00 times 10 to the fourth times 100 divided by 1 times 10 to the 6. Keeping in mind that these conversions are exact conversions, they can have an infinite number of significant digits. So the number of significant digits is determined by our first number, and this number has only 3 significant digits. So we take 5.00 times 10 to the fourth times 100 divided by 1 times 10 to the 6. We should get 5.00 units centiseconds for our answer.